Welcome to where your Lakeside retreat connects with guests seeking unforgettable experiences. I'm David Ciccarelli, the founder and CEO of Lake.com. Today, we'll master listing management. Let's enhance your property's online presence, making it irresistible to potential guests. From the moment you add your property, you'll have the power to craft an inviting and compelling listing. Let's walk through how to manage and optimize your listings to attract the most interest and ultimately bookings. Let's start with an overview of your properties. Here, you can quickly see all of your listings and their statuses and easily access editing options. Clicking into a listing, you can edit every detail, from the title and description to photos, amenities, and house rules. Now, let's make your listing stand out. Photos are your first impression. Upload high-quality images that capture the essence of your retreat. Be sure to include photos of the interior and the exterior, as well as any special amenities such as a dock or a beach, a hot tub, or even activities like horseshoes or badminton. Bright, clear images showcasing key features and those special amenities draw guests in, letting them envision their stay and the activities that they'll do when they arrive. Your description tells your property's story. Highlight what sets your vacation rental apart, from the spacious living areas to breathtaking views. Be detailed and inviting, creating a vivid picture of the experience awaiting your guests. Don't be afraid to point out a few local gems that are nearby too, like your favorite coffee shop, or a local bakery, or the best places to catch the sunset. In today's world, absolute cleanliness is an expectation, to be sure. Be clear about your cleaning procedures, emphasizing your commitment to guest safety. If you use a professional cleaning company, make sure you mention it, reassuring potential guests that they'll arrive to a clean and spotless vacation home. As you know well, reviews are the cornerstone of your listing's credibility. Encourage guests to leave feedback and respond thoughtfully to those reviews. Positive interactions build trust and attract more guests. Set your property apart with competitive pricing. Utilize dynamic pricing tools to adjust for peak seasons and market changes, ensuring that your rates are both attractive and profitable. On Lake.com, you can set a base price and then adjust on a month-by-month basis, as well as offering discounts from time to time to fill in those gaps, attracting last-minute stays. These strategies maximize your earnings and keep your listing competitive. If you have multiple properties, you know that consistency is key. Use templates to ensure that your listings are organized and easy to read. Bullet points and simple headings and a clear layout makes for an enjoyable browsing experience. Now, with Lake.com, you're not just listing a property, you're offering a vacation that'll provide memories for years to come. Follow these simple steps to master listing management and watch your Lakeside retreat become a sought-after destination year after year. Join us and let's make every stay memorable. Thanks again for choosing Lake.com. Now here's to full calendars and happy guests.